5 foods that heal your gut naturally, feel better from the inside out. A healthy gut is the foundation of your overall health, from digestion and immunity to energy and mood. But with today's diet and lifestyle, our gut can easily become imbalanced. The good news: nature has given us powerful foods that can help restore balance and heal your gut naturally. In this video, we reveal 5 amazing foods you can easily include in your diet to support gut repair, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. Fermented foods: yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut. Loaded with probiotics, these good bacteria help restore the natural balance of your gut microbiome. They aid digestion, boost immunity, and even improve nutrient absorption. Fermented foods are essential for anyone dealing with bloating, constipation, or IBS. Avocados: creamy, delicious, and incredibly gut-friendly. Avocados are high in fiber and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that nourish the gut lining and support healthy digestion. They also help reduce inflammation in the gut. Ginger. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, ginger helps calm the stomach, ease nausea, reduce bloating, and stimulate digestive enzymes. It also has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe an irritated gut. Berries: blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. These vibrant fruits are full of antioxidants and polyphenols that not only fight inflammation, but also act as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. They're a sweet way to support gut health and protect against disease. Chia seeds. Tiny but powerful, chia seeds are a rich source of soluble fiber and omega-3 salts. They help promote healthy bowel movements, feed beneficial gut bacteria, and strengthen the gut barrier to prevent leaky gut. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.